Hi guys, just showed you I picked this up in a charity shop today. £15. Looks like it's in good condition. Some sort of brush and a filter, or something like that. Let's have a look at the instructions. Oh, that's interesting. DWi Dowellin, and the instructions are for a Lecent. I expect it's just rebranded DWi Dowellin. I thought it was a familiar name. System Skynet sent me his drone quite a while ago, at least a year ago, maybe longer. That was a DWi Dowellin. So that's obviously a importer that gets stuff branded for them. So, on-off button. Right. Charger port, and I don't see a charger. So that's our first problem. No charger for it. That's the dust collector. Filter. Does that come out? Yeah. Okay, so that's how much you actually collect in there. Not very much, but I guess the idea is you empty it regularly. Charging about 3 hours, USB charging. Yeah, we're missing the USB plug, aren't we? Phone's ringing. It's very much like the bump and go cars, toy cars. Well, we could take it apart and have a look, but there'll be an electric motor to drive those wheels. Those are freewheeling. These will be spinning round. And yeah, get sucked in there. Oh, I see, that cloth thing that I was on about. That bit actually goes onto the Velcro on there. Floor cloth. After mop is pasted, it can be wet dragged. Okay, well, working voltage 3.7 volts and USB charging about 3 hours, but no charging lead. Got any power in it? Oh yeah. But we're going to have to see. Might have to make up a lead for that. Positive in the middle, negative on the outside. I don't think I've got anything suitable at the moment. Well, we'll put it on the floor and see if it goes around. My reason for buying it was just for a bit of fun. I shall stick a time-lapse camera on top of it and just leave it running around. That will be an exciting video to watch. But we'll put it on the floor. Well, we'll put it back together first. Right, that's in. That goes on there. I'm not going to bother about that bit for now. Well, there's plenty of dust over there and it hasn't picked it up. Yeah, to be honest, that's nothing more than a bump and go toy car. Hasn't even got rubberized edges to it to soften the blow when it bumps into things. I might have a quick look inside, see if we can get it apart, see what sort of battery's in there, see if we can find a different way of charging it. Alright. Well, so far on a scale of 1 to 10, I'd give it 0. Apart from novelty value. Yeah, it's certainly not very good at picking up bits. It's just going straight over them. Yeah, I would say absolute rubbish. But we will still put a camera on it if we can figure out how to charge it. We'll just have a look, see if it picked anything up. Oh, we got some rubbish. Yeah, it did pick some stuff up. And I suppose if you just left it running all day, it would sort of eventually pick stuff up by the fact it goes over it so many times. Yeah, it picks some stuff up. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.